Hey guys, so we're going to get started with applying a little bit of a moisturizer to our lips. I'm using the DHC lip cream. To prime, I'm using the Urban Decay Urban Defense Complexion Primer. It's one of my favorite primers. I like to use this to just smooth out the skin, and because it does fill in the pores, it does provide a little bit of a mattifying effect. For foundation, I'm going to use the IMAN Cosmetics Luxury Concealing Foundation, and I'm showing you two foundations because I'm going to mix the shade Clay 1 and Clay 2 together to kind of get my perfect shade, and I'm just blending this in with a Shop Miss A sponge. I think it was like, it had to have been less than $3, and it's a really good sponge. For concealer, I'm going to use the Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer. I use the shade 4N. It's just a little bit lighter than my skin tone, so it isn't going to be too dramatic of a highlight. I'm really focusing more on like a natural highlight today. Nothing too bright, and it just helps to conceal as well. For setting powder, I'm going to use the Kogendo face powder, and I'm using this to set the concealer just to make sure that it lasts longer throughout the day. Next, I'm going to use the NYX Cosmetics matte bronzer, and I like to use the shade Dark Tan, and I'm applying it in the same areas that I would contour. For highlight, I'm using the Colourpop highlighter in the shade Double Down. Gorgeous highlight. This was actually my first time using it, and it is so pretty. It gives you like a wet glow almost, and it's not even that expensive. For brows, I'm using the Cargo Cosmetics Longwear Brow Pencil, and it is in the shade Dark, and I've been loving this brow pencil as well. If you follow me on Instagram, you've been seeing me tag this a lot. I've been loving this product. To clean up my brows, I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Biscuit, and I'm using an angled brush to draw a concealer line just to clean up any product that got outside the lines. Then I'm going to drag it down just a little bit and blend it out with an eyeshadow brush from Dose of Colors. To prime my eyes, I'm using the Sigma eyeshadow base primer in the shade Persuade, and I'm blending it in with a flat brush also from Sigma, and I'm going to set it with just a little bit of the translucent powder we use to set our concealer. Next, we're going in with the NYX Cosmetics Smoky and Highlight eyeshadow palette. The first shade I'm using is a dark burgundy shade from the palette with a MAC 224 brush. Then I'm going in with a shimmer from the palette, and I'm going to apply that with my finger on the empty spot on my lid. I'm kind of bringing it into the inner corner as well for my inner corner highlight. Next, with the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Berry, I'm applying that to the cheeks as well as all over the eyeshadow look, even on top of the shimmer. And I'm doing this to just kind of make the whole look monochromatic and go with the mauve lip we're going to apply later. Now I'm going in with a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes, the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. Then I'm going to apply the Ardell lashes in the style 231. And I'm just using tweezers to apply these lashes super close to my natural lashes. And then, dun, 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 we're going in with the Fenty Beauty STUNNA lip paint in the shade Uncuffed. But first, I'm going to line my lips with Tulips from Colourpop. It's a lip pencil. And then we're going to apply this gorgeous mauve lip color. It is so pretty, long wearing, just everything. I'm so glad they've released new shades, so I had to do this look. And I'm just going to apply it mostly to the bottom lip and then tap and blend into the top lip. To finish off the look, I'm going to spray the Belif Aqua Bomb Mist. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure you check out my other videos and subscribe, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.